Where if I told you there's a camper van so loud in color that it doesn't just turn heads, it blinds them? And no, it's not radioactive, probably. Ladies and gentlemen, I once had a neighbor who claimed his fishing boat was the ultimate weekend escape, until I rolled up in this 1976 Dodge Tradesman B200 camper van, finished in orange so bright, I think it made the sun jealous. With yellow and red stripes and Vangerine graphics, it's the kind of paint job that makes strangers wave and kids ask, does it shoot fire? Spoiler, no, but it does have a pop-top roof that transforms faster than my buddy Dave when the bar tab arrives. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more stories about classic rides that make modern ones feel like they're missing a personality chip. Under the hood, you've got a 318 CI, 5.2-liter V8 paired with a 3-speed automatic, sending power to the rear wheels. I believe the rumble of that dual exhaust can scare off raccoons from 3 campsites away. The dealer refreshed the suspension, brakes, and engine. New shocks, overload springs, U-joints, even a rebuilt carburetor. The rear end's been sorted too, so it glides smoother than my friend Frank's pickup after he finally replaced the leaf springs from 1979. Pop the side door, and you're greeted by brown vinyl captain's chairs with orange buttons, patterned carpet, wood paneling, and tie-dye curtains that look like they've seen a few music festivals. Amenities? Oh, we're talking LED lighting, refrigerator, hand pump kitchen sink, cassette toilet, storage drawers, power points, and a dinette that converts into a bed. Up top, the pop top hides another bed platform and even comes with a full-size air mattress. I like the most how the wood ceiling gives it that cozy cabin feel, like camping without the tent poles and bug bites. It rolls on polished 5-spoke wheels with Mastercraft Avenger GT tires, though the spare needs replacing. Kind of like my patience when people call this just a van. Asking price is floating around what you'd spend on a used SUV, in the ballpark of $15,000 USD, $13,700. So yeah, pull into a campground with this thing and you're not just parking, you're starting a conversation. And somewhere out there, my neighbor's fishing boat is feeling insecure. The link's under the video. Don't just stare at it like it owes you money. And hey, for just $1, you can sponsor our channel, keep the coffee flowing, and maybe help me replace that spare tire.